How to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. You can actually add up to 20 photos to a single Instagram post with just a few simple steps. Just follow along with this step-by-step tutorial until the end. So, to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram, first open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen to open your profile page. Now, tap the plus icon at the top right of your Instagram profile. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select Post. A new screen will appear where you can choose multiple photos and videos. To select more than 10 pictures, first tap on the Multiple Select icon. Now, choose multiple photos or videos one by one from your device gallery. You can choose up to 20 images or videos. Once selected, tap Next in the top right corner of the screen. Here, you can edit or crop your pictures, add filters, and even music if you like. When you're done editing, tap the Next button to proceed. Now you'll see a post preview screen where you can add a caption, tag people, or add a location. Lastly, tap on the Share button to publish your post with more than 10 pictures. And that's it. You've successfully post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.